It's recording now. Okay. Wait. Box, this is Show Puppy. Say hi to Georgie here. She will help me build Joe Puppy here. Okay, ready, Georgie?
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready, and go. See, I'm stepping on the pedal. So the fluffing, this fluffing will comes out there. Medium hard. Because it will go to Taiwan. Hey Georgie, talk to me. Soft. I think medium hard. But because it will go Taiwan and no build a bear in Taiwan.
Taiwan?
Yeah. Taiwan's Republic of China.
I want to go
My
Taiwan.
friend, yeah. And I feel it. Okay.
The best?
Quite good. Okay.
Okay.
And what's next? Get the heart.
Okay, hold the heart.
Funny. Okay. This heart is for you. I'll make a wish. Happiness, health, and good life. Then, kiss. The puppy kiss it. Then, put inside. Alright. Catch you soon. Good. Okay, right. You stitch it up.
Okay.
Okay. Georgie will stitch up the baby. The puppy.
The ID code?
Yeah? What's the ID code?
If the dog run away, you
Yeah,
cannot find, somebody found it, send it
Mhm.
back to any store, you can return it back to you.
Wow, the resolution is very clear. And
This dress over here, not normal customer.
let's do it well, okay?
Normal customer, you take my time.
What happened to the stitch?
I think curl up. It's okay, nothing will go wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
Alright.
Alright.
Touching the knots. Okay, so that's how you stitch and stuff a Build-A-Bear Workshop puppy. Alright. Next.
Okay, now you fluff the puppy.
Alright, going to fluff the puppy. Fluff, 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 fluff. Hiya there. Who? Apple ah? My friend in Taiwan. Okay, now let's choose outfit for your puppy.
No outfit at all.
Birthday outfit only. Yeah? This one? This one? Or this one?
I know.
Naka, taka, naika, naika. She can speak Chinese. Naika. This one? Okay. I dress up the puppy. Dress the puppy. dress up. Nice. Is it this way or the other way? This way, nice. Okay, now we're going to do name for your puppy. For her. Yes. I don't know what to call the puppy. Yeah. What's her? Oh, I've almost forgot the surname. When is the birthday? I forgot. Can you just put Christmas? So it's a Christmas and birthday gift all together. Nice. Okay, there you go. Done. Now we do the bear promise. No, I will not do the bear promise. Let's take a shot of the bear promise. Okay, this is the bear promise. Okay, very special. I brought it to life. I chose it. I stuffed it. Now I'm taking it home. Best friends are forever. So I promise right now, make my bear my #1 pal.
Oh yeah.
Right. And this is the full Be the Bear workshop here. This is Georgie. That is Chicken. And this is my home at Singapore. Moj.
Hello.
This is Belle. Alright. Now, I'm signing off. And hopefully the puppy will reach you soon. Bye-bye.